The Matchbox Cliff Hanger is one of those castings that captures the adventurous spirit that defined Matchbox throughout the late 20th century. It represents a rugged off-road vehicle built for steep trails, rocky hillsides, and remote landscapes that stretch beyond the edges of the map. Every part of its design points toward exploration, from the lifted suspension to the strong, angular body that looks ready to handle uneven ground and rough terrain. The Cliff Hanger is shaped around the idea of a compact trail machine. Its front end is squared and functional, set with a sturdy bumper and molded grille lines that give the casting a sense of toughness. Along the sides, the fenders rise cleanly over the wheels, leaving room for the oversized off-road tires that Matchbox gave it for maximum ground clearance. The windows are simple and open, allowing a full look into the interior shell. Even the interior layout is designed in the style of a practical utility vehicle. Driver's seat, passenger space, and basic dashboard features molded into the cabin. On the roof, the Cliff Hanger usually carries a set of molded equipment, a rack, spare tire, or storage housing depending on the release. These details reinforce its purpose as a vehicle built to navigate cliffsides, mountain passes, and remote paths off the main roads. The roof structure is also slightly raised in the rear, giving the car its recognizable profile and suggesting extra utility space. The base is cast with clean mechanical outlines, suspension marks, drivetrain hints, and frame detailing, even though the model doesn't require them for play. Matchbox includes them to give the casting a more complete presence, continuing the tradition of creating miniature vehicles that feel grounded in real-world engineering. The wheels roll smoothly and consistently, allowing the Cliff Hanger to work just as well on a child's improvised mountain of pillows as on a collector's display. Over the years, the Cliff Hanger has gained a reputation among enthusiasts for its unusual proportions, its sense of purpose, and its versatility. It fits into rescue themes, adventure themes, and off-road collections with equal ease. Despite its compact size, it carries a strong identity, a small truck with big capability, designed for places where the road turns to rock and the ground falls away beneath the cliffs. Collectors appreciate the Cliff Hanger not just for its durability and style, but for the personality it brings to a lineup of cars. It stands out because it wasn't built for speed or shine, it was built for challenge. Matchbox captured that idea in metal and plastic, creating a model that feels ready to attempt any steep incline or narrow mountain path you can imagine. The Cliff Hanger remains one of those castings that tells a story the moment you pick it up. It's the story of remote trails, quiet skies, and the confidence of a vehicle that doesn't shy away from the edge. It seeks it.